you guys, there it is. We will be compressing this into the honey compressor guys para makapag-earn tayo ng madaming honey kasi as you see the update of in this update will be vanished guys. So kasi meron na namang mangyaring update sa dito banda. Merong mangyayari dyan banda guys na merong crafting seeds kasi yung you know. There it is, I will see kung anong stock na naman ang meron dito before I will compress this. The honey compressor, there it is. Flower seed pack, as you can see there it is. Wala pa rin stock yung ibang nasa baba. So, there it is. I will be buying this. That's one tower. This one, two. That's one. So, ayun, hindi na kasya yung ating honey. So now I will be giving it to the honey compressor and hopefully guys we will be getting a good amount of the honey money. So, guys, as you can see we have 83 honey na guys here in the game. So as you can see we will be putting it will be turned to 76 honey and I will be crafting the recipe. Will be can I got it a nectar. So I will the next time is the Lomera. As you can see there it is. Yes guys, I'm the opening the egg. As you can see there it is the egg and hopefully we can get a better one. So there it is a dog guys. And as you can see, let's see, I got my first Lomera seed and that is very congratulations sa atin guys kasi nakuha na natin yung Lomera seed. And so kasi the next is the Monmel and meron pa yung Lumira seed and hopefully we can get the 2 Lumira at the end before the update in this game. Hey you guys, look at what I get on here in my guys and my inventory and as you can see what I am holding is the huge bunny. As you can see guys, nakuha ko siya sa pag-hatch. Look at ganito po yung ginagawa ko. Bumibili ako dito and as you can see guys, there it is. There. Dito po ay nag-hatch po ako dito banda. And as you can see, while nag-hatch ako dito banda guys, naka-open ako ng bunny dito banda. And there it is guys. As you can see guys, here it is the bunny guys while opening the egg. And this one guys, I will be pranking the players guys. Hopefully they will notice that I am here. I don't know if mo yung notice ba sila na mayroong players sa kanilang farm. As you can see guys, I will waiting for the players. I hope they will be reply na-shock sila. I don't know but hopefully this time it will work. Okay, while waiting for the player to come, I want like this we will be jumping here but look at that guys, as you can see I think there is no player pa and tawag nito ay hindi naman tayo sa ilang minuto na tayo. There it is yes there it is the name of the is Magic Sarap yung kanyang name guys. As you can see hindi siya nagre-reply. So as you can see guys, there it is guys, wala siyang reklamo. So we see that super clean ng chat, wala talaga siyang masasabi guys. So we will be teleporting in my garden na lang guys, nakakabuling ng ganito. Here it is guys, I'm on my garden collecting the fulminated fruits. What I don't know, parang wala akong nakokolektaan and I will try another one. There it is. Meron tayong nakuha konti. So I will be trying another again. So hopefully we can get. There it is. Super madami siya guys. And that is muna for today's collecting. And as you can see guys, there it is. Pinalamig naman nating bunny and I am holding it to prank a players and I think hindi nag-work guys yung pranking natin guys. So hopefully the player will be going here but I think there is none. So we will be trying on the next target. So here it is guys, our next target. I don't know but I think she is AFK And we will be going to our next target again guys kasi hindi talaga siya hindi niya nanonotice na dito tayo sa gilid. And I know that girl is eating, so we will be going to our next target again. Here it is guys, our next target is this one, that player. Or I know he noticed it, she noticed, maybe he noticed it, yes. And hopefully that this one will notice the bigger, and that look at the name of that girl is Chin. So as you can see guys, there it is. I'm pranking this player. So as you can see guys, lumapit talaga siya guys. So maybe kita niya yung username natin, and as you can see, tignan nyo naman guys na andito siya. Tignan nyo. So as you can see guys, na-prank natin, I think, siguro itong this guard, but wala siyang comment, and the comments guys sa mga comments public. So as you can see guys, andito na tayo sa ating garden kasi wala talaga. As you can see na hindi talaga effective yun. So as you can see guys, I hope the restocking is very good. No, there is none guys. So guys, if you manage to watch until at the end of this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Or hopefully we can get 1K subscriber at the end of the year. Kidding. So guys, thank you for your support and your support and for watching my video, and see you in my next video guys. I hope you will like the next video I will upload. Thank you for watching this at the end. So, yun lang guys. Thank you talaga. So,